So all this portal that somebody used to enter, this is what they used to suffer. I'm now suffering it. You know what all these girls like in Lagos big boys? When they have G-Wagon, a nice car, a flashy looking car, and more importantly, a very clean car. There's no way, no matter if you're driving a Range Rover Sport, your car is dirty, they will say that you stole the car. So today, I'm going to learn how to make sure my car is prim and proper. I'm working here at the car wash. This is BattaBox Hustle. Let's go. You gotta be professional. Wear your boots. Car wash. BollyLomo. Let's go. Alright. Hey guys. Yes sir. Everybody's being mean to me because it's my first day at work. But I have somebody holding you. Sorry. The glass. Yeah. Everybody thinks that car wash is very simple. You just pay 500 naira. You have to pay attention to the little details.
Àwọn customer máa ń ṣọ́yàn.
Ètò ìgbà mọ̀ wá fún money.
Money fún yàn.
You customer are wicked. Someone will be washing your rim. You will not give us someone money. How many cars do you wash?
Only 40, only 40, only 40. Ó depends bí mọ́tò bá ṣe rush. Síkà o.
Market at small.
Wọ́n fẹ́ fọjọ́ náà wọ́ṣì mọ́tò yìí ni o. Wàá fọ gbogbo tuntun rẹ̀. Ó tiẹ̀ wàá bá kú mẹ́ wàá rúbà ẹ̀ ìfẹ́ náà. After that, we have for abẹ́. After abẹ́, we have for body. We have clean that check. But we want for engine. Engine is color shape.
I have another job. Now, 2 cars in 1 day. So, about to go and vacuum. I don't know if vacuum in a long time. No, someone will just come and say, oh, wash my car, leave it and go. These guys are actually working. I'm sweaty, I'm smelling, and it's not be easy. Anyways, today I showed me what it is about car washes. You know, I've learned that their job is not just to wash car. It's about trust. It's about paying attention to intricate details. You know, something like, how can they tell you to be cleaning the car key area? Who is checking that place? Anyways, I've learned so much today. Your car wash is an important person in your life. Your car wash, they are working. But I like the way they get paid. Like this one, there's nothing like, oh, salary as not enter, as a wash, collect some money. So you just want to say, oh, guys, only 4 months of Baba. Anyway, so I'm gonna get finished my car now. Keep watching BattaBox. This is Hustle. My name is BollyLomo.